All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We are in the Sonata. We are having a Sonata vlog. We're going to be talking about these auto insurance fake discount programs. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? We're going to be talking about, let me see something. Let me back up on this thing right quick. All right, we got Nationwide SafePilot. We have Farmers Signal. We have State Farm Drive Safe and Save. We have USAA SafePilot. We have Travelers IntelliDrive. We have Allstate Drivewise, Geico DriveEasy, and then we have Progressive Snapshot. Now, they all claim to save you 10 to 30% off your premiums, and it requires no at-fault accidents, no moving violations, speeding, reckless driving, or insurance claims. Now it says, while some companies guarantee no increases, others like Progressive and Geico may raise your rates if the data indicates unsafe driving habits. So you are going to tell me that an app is going to tell you that I'm driving unsafe based on whatever. Now, the reason why I have a problem with this is because it's based on what your phone is doing, right? Now, the number one issue that I have is that these apps don't know if you are the driver or the passenger. So you could be in a car, and based on the speed of the car that your phone is detecting, is going to give you a score, or what it's going to determine if your insurance premium goes up or not. Now, if you are driving, it's going to, well, whether you're driving or not, let's just lump all that together. Whether you're driving or not, we already talked about the speeding or whatever. So they got you right there. Phone usage, they got you there because these apps detect how or if you are using your phone while you are driving. Again, the bad part about this, it doesn't ask you if you're the passenger or not. Well, I think USAA does. I think, well, the last time I used this USAA Snapshot, SafePilot, it asked that. Progressive, on the other hand, I do not know if you can go in and say, hey, I was a passenger at this time, blah, blah, blah. I think it does account for if you are on public transportation, but there's a caveat to that. What if you're on a damn bus? How are you tracking that, Mr. App? How are you tracking that? Now, getting back to the point of how much you use your phone. So it is tracking what you do on your phone. Phone call, whether you're playing a game, social media, or checking emails, or taking selfies, or, you know, a number of things, whatever. I don't know if it, specifically detects what app you are using, but it detects phone usage. And the crazy thing about it is, based on that, is going to raise your premium. As if your premium is not high enough. Like, I need to understand. I don't need to understand, because I know why, but I think it's a scam. It's a gimmick. Ooh, they about to get into an accident up there. See, these jokers don't know how to wait until somebody gives them the go-ahead to get over. They so damn impatient. Like, where the hell are y'all going? So, and where are y'all in a rush to? That's what I need to know. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? I'm going to take this lane. You stay over there. You should have got over. You had this big gap in traffic and you just playing around. Now you want to get over. But anyway, yeah, those are gimmicks, man. Those are like big gimmicks for what I had said. Now, they have the one that some of them have the module that pokes that did I say pokes? That plugs into the OBD2 port, and it reads the your car's computer. Too much. We're doing too much out here. Doing way too much. Now, the other thing that bothers me about that is you want people to not use their phone while they're driving, or not handle their phone while they're driving. So now we have voice assistants like Siri and Hey Google, and you can have your phone Bluetooth, but still, if you make a call, receive a call, or whatever the case may be, it's going to get you for using your phone. Same thing with text messages. If you have your phone hooked up to Google Auto or Apple CarPlay, it's still going to detect usage on your phone. So at what point is this even worth it? Because from my estimation, it's not even worth having. You might as well not even you might as well just roll without that damn fake ass discount plan and just get a straight out premium. I mean, because for me, if you want to raise my premium, just raise my premium. I'm cool with that. But don't do it under false pretenses. To me, that's false advertisement. If you telling me, oh, I'm tired. You telling me you're going to save me 10 to 30%, but when I get my damn renewal, you raise it by however much that you feel appropriate based on whatever driving I'm doing. And it's probably probably a lot worse for those who do rideshare, because you have to manipulate those apps. Not unless you have a second phone that does not have those apps on it, which I would recommend just overall. And I say that because if you have an iPhone, you can put your account, log into your iCloud account on both phones. That way your second phone, you can get your text messages or whatever. Well, no, I am not telling y'all to do I'm not trying to have y'all practice bad driving habits, so let's scratch that. But my whole point is, if you are a rideshare person, it'll be ideal for you to have two phones, because that way you can have that one phone for ride sharing, and you don't have to worry about when you have to deal with the apps to accept rides or accept deals or meals or whatever the case may be. That is just non-existent to you. But my issue is these fake programs that promise to save you money on your insurance plan, because it's not going to do that. Now, I'm not going to say for certain that they're not going to save you money. I'm going to say, in my experience, it's not going to save you any money. But anyway, that's really all I wanted to talk to y'all about. But I want to know what auto insurance carrier you use, and if you use one of those usage-based telematic programs, discount programs. Whether it's Progressive, Geico, Nationwide, Farmer, State Farm, or USAA. The fuck are you doing? I hate when people do this dumb shit. Fucking idiot. You wait until somebody say get over. Are you gonna try it too? Dingbat? Damn jerk. No, you ain't jumped in front of me. You jumped in front of the truck that's in front of me. We about to do this right here. Because y'all play too damn much. Look like y'all can't drive. All them going. I hate when people do that too. They just jump out the lane. Like, come on, dude. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm sleepy. Oh, but yeah, like I was saying, let me know what auto insurance carrier you have, and if you use those discount programs, and let me know if they're working for you. Let me know if they are saving you. Let me know if it's worth using. Like, what would be the difference if you used it or not? And what advice would you give to maximize the benefit of that program, especially those of you who are in high density traffic areas, because I think that plays a bigger part in it. Like me, I work in DC. I live in Maryland, close to Delaware, and you know, my traffic can be bipolar. You know, I can face stop and go. I can, you know, face situations where I have to speed up to get out the way, just because that's just the nature of traffic. But yeah, I'm just curious to see what y'all are using, what y'all think. And I will. What are you doing, dude? Like, help me understand right now. Speed limit is 55 and you going 49. Hell, in the morning, y'all jokers move like y'all drive like tomorrow is running away from y'all. Dude, I can't race you right now. It's too much traffic. I was gonna get with him too. About to see what he had under that damn thing. Y'all see him, right? Y'all see him. I gotta put my joint in sport mode, just in case he try to get away from me, try to run on me. Too much traffic. Don't play these games out here, boy. I will come get you. I will find you. All right, but anyway, that's that video. I gotta find, there it is, my joint. Peace.